In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send reminders in Microsoft Planner. Microsoft Planner does not include a built-in reminder button where you can pick a custom alert time like 2 hours before a task is due. Instead, reminders in Planner are handled through due dates and notifications, such as emails and alerts that show up through connected Microsoft apps. So the main goal is to make sure your tasks are assigned correctly and have a clear due date. First, open Microsoft Planner and go to the plan you want to work in. This is your project board where all of your tasks live, organized in buckets. Once you are on the board, find the task you want to receive reminders for, and click on the task card to open its details. In this example, you will open the task titled Identify Goals and Objectives, but the same process works for any task. Inside the task details, start by setting up the assignment. Click Assign, then choose yourself from the list. This is important because Planner sends notifications to the people assigned to a task. If you are not assigned, you may not receive the reminders you expect. After you assign the task to yourself, take a moment to confirm your name appears in the task. Next, set the due date. In the Task Details panel, click Due Date and choose the date you want. This due date is what Planner uses to trigger its notifications. As the due date gets close, or if the task becomes overdue, Planner will send a notification to the assignee. This usually arrives as an email and may also appear in connected places like Teams or your task lists, depending on how your Microsoft 365 notifications are configured. A helpful tip is to choose due dates you can realistically meet, because overdue tasks can create extra noise in your notifications. Also, if a task is shared with others, make sure the correct person is assigned, so reminders go to the right place. Once you have assigned the task and added a due date, you are done. Planner will handle the reminder notifications automatically based on that schedule. That covers everything you need to know.